Unusually warm water in the Pacific Ocean has unleashed the deadliest downpours for decades in Peru. 500,000 people are affected by flooding. Tens of thousands are homeless, and at least 150,000 homes have been damaged. Surging rivers have destroyed more than 100 bridges. Mudslides have shut down many roads, and farmers are counting the cost of damage to grapes, banana, and mango exports.
It is an unexpected thing, but what can you do about it? We are going to find shelter and security for all the people who are living in those zones.
Rescuers are working around the clock using cables, pulleys, and zip lines. The government has sent in soldiers and police to stop looting.
Everything is flooded. They are looting everything because there is no food, there is no water, there isn't anything.
Peru's finance minister wants to increase this year's budget by nearly $1.5 billion to fund emergency and recovery efforts.
We are, as everyone knows, confronting a serious climatic problem which we cannot prevent. There has not been an incident of this strength along the coast of Peru since 1998.
Peru's interior minister says the emergency is so large there are not enough rescuers to help everyone. And the worst may not be over. Peruvians are being warned to expect another month of flooding. Chaderjian, Al Jazeera.